welcome back to my YouTube channel. Maria is back and again and again and again and again and again. Dahil may bago po tayong video ngayon. Intro, pasok! Mag-unboxing tayo! Yan, I'm so excited to use my new singing live sound microphone. Yan, finally, meron na tayong microphone for our live streaming. Yan, mga friendship, I'm so happy. And thank you to my love, to my sponsorship for my new microphone set. Thank you, love. Now, let's see what it's inside. I'm so excited to open it. Ta-da! So here we go. We have like this microphone. Moites. Wala pa, hindi pa nakaset up. At meron tayong golden microphone. Oh, baby. Joke. Feeling singer. So, meron tayong microphone here. And meron tayong this one pang cover. We're gonna set up our microphone. So starting today's vlog and my upcoming video, once a week I will try to be on live streaming. Yan, para magamit natin ang ating microphone. So excited to use it. So we're just unboxing it, and later we're just gonna set up how to use it. The things. Yan, ito yung wire niya. Guys, complete. And we have this one to control the sound. It's so nice. So all the wire, it's here, everything is here. And here the stand that we need to put it somewhere that we can clip on it. This one. Woo! I think it's like this out. It's hard to set up mga friendship, but I just want to show you my new microphone for my live streaming. So we need to connect it here. And I think that this one is like this. Moites. Yan mga friendship, ito siya. Yan. So this one is like amplifier that you can mix the sounds and make it higher volume. So yan, maririnig nyo na ako mabuti pag nag-live streaming tayo. So masya-shout out ko kayo ng clear na clear, as in clear the voice. Yan mga friendship, it's set up ang aking condenser microphone. Yan, with B8 sound card. Yan, it's very helpful siya mga friendship. Easily connect. Yan mga friendship, dito na magtatapos ang ating unboxing vlog for today. I hope you like this video, and if you are new to my YouTube channel, please don't forget to hit the notification bell button, and please don't forget to click the red button, subscribe, and please don't forget to leave your comment below if you have any comments, suggestions for my upcoming vlog or live something. Please just leave the comment, okay? And see you all tomorrow.